Hola ducklings and welcome to Tashi's Treats. I'm Tubed in Tashi and today we're going to be making some delicious homemade tortillas. Ooh, yum. So I've put 3 cups of flour inside of my mixing bowl. To that I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm going to just give that a little mix around to my mixing bowl, along with a 1/4 cup of lard. Now listen, you have to put fat in these for them to turn out properly, okay? You could use different oils, like you could use olive oil, or you could use just regular vegetable oil in. And then we're going to add to this, I'm going to put this on my stand mixer and have it go around until it's breadcrumby. And then to that, I'm going to add about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of water, warm water, and it'll turn into a beautiful dough. I'm going to put that on my KitchenAid stand mixer for about 5 minutes till it makes a really nice dough. And I'll bring the dough back and show you when it's done. You can alternately, if you want to. Because of my mobility issues, it's been raining, and so I'm hurting a lot today. But if you don't have a stand mixer, or if you want to do it the old-fashioned way, you can do this all by hand by cutting the lard in with a knife and then mixing it with your hands real nice and slowly adding the water until you have a beautiful dough. I'm just taking a shortcut because that's what's going on today. Because today I'm going to be me. All right, I'll be back with you. Okay, ducklings, I'm back. I've made our beautiful dough. Don't know if you can see it. Isn't that nice? Now I'm going to pull this on out of my bowl and I'm going to kind of pull all of it into a little lump like this. Then I'm going to start pulling off just little bits like this that are just kind of a walnut size, and I'm going to roll it into a ball. Now, it is a beautiful little ball, as you can see, and they're actually called testals when you roll them into these little balls, and it's exactly for the reason that you think it is. So I'm going to roll this big wad of dough into my testals, and we'll see how many I get. I'm hoping for probably about 24. So I'll check back to you when I'm done rolling out my balls. As you can see, I've rolled out all of my testals. And I'm going to go ahead and cover them with some saran wrap because I'm not planning on making these till a little bit later on tonight once everything else is done that I'm making. But I wanted to show you what they look like. So the recipe that I gave you makes about 20 of this size if you wanted them to be sort of soft taco size. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and start rolling these testals out. I've got my comal, which is a very round frying pan, heating up. It's cast iron, so of course it's heating up on medium heat. And I just let it charge way up. I just let it get as hot as it can get on the medium without cranking it up, because once it gets super hot, it takes a lot to cool it down. And oh, I just don't want to have to deal with that. Some days you just don't want to have to deal with a too hot pot. So I'm attempting to make these round. It's not super easy to do, so if yours don't come out perfectly round, then don't worry about it. They're still going to be lovely and delicious. To take the edge, kind of throw it over my rolling pin like this, and that way it doesn't stick to me, you know. So I'm going to just continue rolling these out while that one's cooking. And we'll get these all done and I'll get back to you and show you how they look. Hey guys, look how beautiful these turned out. Yes, there are less. I ate some. But that's my reward for doing all the hard work. So you can see how beautiful they are. Gorgeous. Oh, I know. Lily totally is dying for some. The dog is just like, I want a tortilla. I'm like, no tortilla for you. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to watch more. Come back and see me again sometime.